I'm Lene Rhodes, owner of Mix Cosmetics, and last week, I think it was, I put out a question about stay-at-home DIY workshops. Well, we're all sheltering at home, we need things to do, and I'm not able to run workshops at my storefront right now, and I still love teaching people how to make products and what they're using on their skin. So I am trying to figure out workshops that I can send to you and that you can do at home while still watching a video of me teaching you how to do it. So I had asked about sugar scrub, lip gloss, lip balm, and apparently you guys want me to create all of them. Well, luckily sugar scrub, eyeshadow, and lip gloss are already in the works, but the others, lip balm and lotion, I'm still working on those. So I wanted to show you I'm actually done with the sugar scrub workshop, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. So if you order it, you'll know exactly what you'll get in your package. So here it is. I have it in this really beautiful gift bag and a little tissue because you want to feel special when you get it. And the first thing you'll see, the biggest thing, is this jar. So it's a jar of oils, your base for your sugar scrub. And then you'll pull out, whoops, oh, I dropped it on the floor. I'll be right back. Here we go. You will find this little baggie of butters, emulsifiers, and other oils, and I talk about that more in the video where I actually teach you how to make it. And then you pull out, it's so fun to dig through these bags, right? You pull out the preservative, and then, of course, you gotta have sugar. If you're gonna make sugar scrub, you gotta have sugar. So, sugar. And last but not least, the thing that gives it that oomph and yumminess, the essential oil. So this is a full dram or 2 grams of essential oil. It's about 5 grams. And so this is exactly what you need to scent your product, and this will make a very strong product, or you can use a little bit less and have a slightly lighter scent. That's totally up to you because this is your sugar scrub. And then you'll have a recipe, and you will have a little label. So you can actually label your product, write notes on how you made it. So this is what I came up with as the first offering for a take-home, do-it-yourself workshop. And then what I provide is a YouTube link where I do a full 30-minute discussion of everything that you have, what it takes, how to do it, and the only thing you need is pan and a spoon. So I'm assuming that most of you have a pan and a spoon at home. You obviously can't go to Goodwill right now and get yourself one, but if you have any kind of pan that can go on the stove and a spoon, you can make this product, and it's great for kids. It's great to do together as a group. Maybe whoever's at home sheltering with you right now, you can create your perfect product. So I just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you the brand new product that I came up with thanks to your input and what I should create. So I hope you enjoy it. It is on my website, mixcosmetics.com, Facebook, Instagram, and Etsy. You can get it at any of those places. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have fun creating something wonderful. Let me know how it goes for you. I can't wait. We'll talk next week.